Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest insights on the best gear out there. Today, we're diving into what we think is hands down the best MMA shin guards for kickboxing sparring available right now, the RDX Shin guards. Let's get into the details and see why this gear is making waves in the world of martial arts. Let's start with first impressions. Right out of the packaging, the RDX Shin guards give off a no-nonsense, practical vibe. They're sleek, lightweight, and feel incredibly durable in hand. The material is a unique blend of elasticated cotton and nylon, flexible, stretchable, and breathable, all at once. These guards are designed to give full shin and foot coverage, and visually, you can immediately tell that they don't skimp on surface area. Whether you're throwing a head height kick or blocking a low one, these have you covered, literally. Now, once you slide them on, that's when you really start to appreciate the build. There's a snug fit, not too tight, not too loose. The quick easy hook and loop strap system makes adjusting the fit incredibly easy. If you've been in the middle of a sparring session and had to stop to fix slipping guards, you'll know how annoying that can be. With the RDX guards, once they're on, they stay on. You get the security of a custom fit without the constant fidgeting. But let's talk protection, because that's the core of why you'd get shin guards in the first place. Inside, RDX has incorporated equilibrium foam padding. It's surprisingly soft to the touch, but once you start moving and striking, the shock absorption kicks in. Whether you're checking a kick or dishing one out, the guards absorb impact impressively well. That means less soreness post-training and more confidence during it. Something I noticed after multiple rounds of sparring is just how breathable these are. Thanks to the QD1 sweat wicking lining, my legs stayed relatively dry, no annoying slippage from sweat buildup. This feature might not sound like a big deal, but during long training sessions or summer workouts, it's a huge plus. Breathability equals comfort, and comfort equals better performance. Comfort is actually a theme here. One of the often overlooked issues in gear like this is seam irritation. Those rough seams that start to scratch and chafe your skin. RDX has addressed this with flat locked reinforced seams that sit flat against the body. No chafing, no distractions. Just a clean, smooth interior feel that keeps your mind where it belongs, on your training. And here's where it gets even better. Despite all this, the guards are feather light. When you're practicing techniques that rely on speed, like teeps or fast switch kicks, heavy gear can slow you down. These guards give you that near weightless feel that keeps your movement fluid and natural. Lastly, let's touch on versatility. Whether you're into Muay Thai, BJJ, Taekwondo, Karate, or just general MMA training, these guards adapt. They're unisex, come in multiple sizes and colors, and cater to different leg types and fighting styles. You can wear them during sparring, drills, or even bag work, and they don't get in your way. So, to wrap it all up, if you're looking for shin guards that deliver elite-level protection, unmatched comfort, and a design built for performance, the RDX Shin guards should be at the top of your list. They're durable, lightweight, sweat-resistant, and designed to stay locked in place round after round. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a gear review from Product Critique. Got questions or gear you want us to test next? Drop a comment below. Until next time, train hard, stay safe, and keep improving.